In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. These words from the Gospel of John have resonated through history. They have been a source of inspiration, contemplation, and debate for countless individuals across different cultures and eras. The profound simplicity of this statement belies its deep philosophical and theological implications. They offer a profound statement about the nature of reality and the source of creation. The idea that the word or logos is not just a spoken utterance, but a fundamental principle that underlies the very fabric of existence is a concept that has intrigued thinkers for millennia. What does it mean for the word to be with God and indeed be God? This question invites us to explore the relationship between language, thought, and the divine. It suggests that the act of creation is not just a physical process, but also a communicative one, where the divine expresses itself through the cosmos. This is where the concept of the logos comes in. The logos is more than just a word. It is the rational principle that governs the universe. It is the bridge between the divine and the material world, a concept that has been explored by philosophers from Heraclitus to the Stoics. The idea of the logos, a Greek term often translated as word, reason, or logic, has deep roots in ancient philosophy. For the Greeks, the logos was the principle of order and knowledge. It was the reason behind the cosmos, the logic that made the universe comprehensible. It suggests that the universe isn't a random accident. Instead, it is a coherent, intelligible system governed by rational principles. This view contrasts sharply with the notion of a chaotic, purposeless cosmos. The logos implies that there is a reason behind everything, a purpose that can be discerned through careful study and contemplation. Instead, it's the product of a fundamental intelligence, an ordering principle that underpins all of existence. This intelligence is not an impersonal force, but a conscious, purposeful entity that imbues the universe with meaning and direction. It is the source of all knowledge and wisdom, the ultimate reality that transcends the material world. This intelligence isn't just a distant watchmaker. It is not a detached creator who set the universe in motion and then left it to run on its own. Rather, it is an active, dynamic presence that continually sustains and guides the cosmos. It is intimately involved in the unfolding of history, the development of life, and the evolution of consciousness. It's intimately involved in the fabric of reality itself. The logos is the thread that weaves together the tapestry of existence, the underlying pattern that connects all things. It is the source of harmony and balance, the principle that ensures the coherence and unity of the cosmos. In recognizing the logos, we come to understand our place in the universe and our relationship to the divine. For ancient Greek philosophers like Heraclitus and Plato, the logos represented the underlying order and rationality of the cosmos. To them, it was more than just a word. It was a profound concept that encapsulated the very essence of existence. Heraclitus, for instance, saw the logos as the principle of change and unity in the universe, a guiding force that maintained balance amidst the ever-present flux. Plato, on the other hand, viewed it as the ultimate truth, the eternal and unchanging reality behind the world of appearances. It was the force that brought structure to chaos and meaning to existence. Imagine the cosmos as a vast, swirling sea of potential, with the logos acting as the unseen hand that shapes and orders it. This idea of an underlying rationality resonated deeply with the Greeks, who sought to understand the world through reason and observation. In the Gospel of John, the logos takes on an even deeper significance. Here it is not merely a philosophical concept, but a divine reality. John begins his Gospel with the profound statement, "In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God." This identification of the logos with God himself elevates the concept to a new level, suggesting that the rational order of the universe is rooted in the very nature of the divine. It's not just an abstract principle, it's the very essence of God, the creative force that spoke the universe into being. This idea is both awe-inspiring and humbling, as it implies that the same rationality that governs the cosmos is also the source of all life and existence. The logos in this context is the bridge between the divine and the material world, the means by which the infinite interacts with the finite. Think of the incredible complexity of the natural world, the intricate dance of subatomic particles, the elegance of DNA, the precise laws of physics that govern everything from the smallest atom to the largest galaxy. Each of these elements reflects a level of order and design that seems almost miraculous. The Logos, as understood by both ancient philosophers and religious thinkers, provides a framework for understanding this complexity. The vast cosmic web of stars and galaxies. When we look up at the night sky and see the Milky Way stretching across the heavens, we are witnessing the grandeur of the Logos in action. The stars and galaxies are not random, chaotic entities, but part of a vast, interconnected system that operates according to discernible laws and patterns. Could all this have arisen from mere chance? The Logos suggests otherwise. It implies that there is a purpose and direction to the universe, a guiding intelligence that ensures everything fits together in a coherent and meaningful way. This perspective challenges the notion that life and the cosmos are the products of random events, offering instead a vision of a universe imbued with intention and significance. It points to an intelligence, a mind that pervades and orchestrates the universe at every level. This intelligence is not distant or detached, but intimately involved in the fabric of reality. Just as our minds bring order to our thoughts and actions, the Logos brings order to the cosmos. It is the ultimate source of wisdom and understanding, the foundation upon which all knowledge and existence rest. In recognizing the Logos, we acknowledge the profound interconnectedness of all things and the presence of a higher order that transcends our limited perception. Fast forward to the 21st century, and we encounter a fascinating parallel to the ancient concept of the Logos in a modern scientific theory, the Cognitive-Theoretic Model of the Universe, CTMU, developed by Christopher Langan. The CTMU is a complex and mind-bending theory. At its heart, it proposes that reality isn't just a collection of physical stuff, but a self-processing, self-referential system that is, in essence, a mind. This mind isn't confined to our heads or even to biological life. It's the universe itself, constantly evolving, learning, and becoming more aware of itself. What's even more intriguing is that the CTMU, like the concept of the Logos, places a strong emphasis on language and logic as the fundamental building blocks of reality. Just as our thoughts take shape through language, the CTMU posits that the universe itself is structured by a kind of cosmic language, a set of rules and relationships that govern its unfolding. This cosmic language isn't something we can easily grasp with our limited human understanding. However, we can catch glimpses of it in the elegant laws of physics, the intricate patterns of nature, and the very fact that the universe is intelligible to us at all. So, what does all this have to do with the Logos? The Logos, a concept rooted in ancient philosophy, represents the principle of order and knowledge. It is the underlying reason and structure of the universe, a guiding force that brings coherence to the chaos. Both the Logos and the CTMU point towards a profound conclusion. The universe is not a meaningless accident, but a product of intelligence, order, and purpose. The CTMU, or Cognitive-Theoretic Model of the Universe, suggests that reality is self-processing and self-sustaining, much like a living organism. This model implies that the universe is a manifestation of a higher intelligence, a grand design that operates with precision and intent. It's the unfolding of a cosmic mind, a grand symphony of thought that we are all a part of. Imagine the universe as a vast orchestra, each element playing its part in a harmonious composition. The stars, planets, and galaxies are the instruments, and the laws of physics are the musical notes that guide their movements. We, as conscious beings, are both the audience and the performers in this magnificent concert. This doesn't mean we have all the answers or that the universe is a neatly wrapped package. Science and philosophy continue to explore the depths of existence, seeking to unravel the mysteries that lie beyond our current understanding. Each discovery, each breakthrough adds a new layer to our comprehension of the cosmos. There are still mysteries beyond our current comprehension. Dark matter, black holes, and the nature of consciousness itself are just a few of the enigmas that challenge our intellect and imagination. These unknowns remind us that the universe is vast and complex, and our journey of discovery is far from over. However, recognizing the universe as an expression of intelligence, of logos, opens up a whole new way of seeing ourselves and our place in the grand scheme of things. It invites us to view our existence as part of a larger, purposeful narrative. We are not mere spectators, but active participants in the cosmic story. This perspective encourages us to seek knowledge, to explore, and to contribute to the unfolding symphony of thought that defines our universe. For centuries, there has been a perceived divide between faith and reason, between the realms of religion and science. Yet the parallels between the Logos and the CTMU suggest a different story. These two concepts, one ancient and spiritual, the other modern and scientific, converge on a common point. The universe is a product of mind. This convergence is significant because it offers a way to bridge the gap between faith and reason. It suggests that the pursuit of scientific understanding and the exploration of spiritual truths are not mutually exclusive, but complementary aspects of the same human quest for meaning and understanding. The beauty of both the Logos and the CTMU lies in their ability to inspire awe and wonder. They invite us to see the universe not as a cold, indifferent machine, but as a living, breathing expression of mind, a place where meaning and purpose are woven into the very fabric of reality. This shift in perspective has the power to transform our understanding of ourselves and our place in the cosmos. It reminds us that we are not isolated beings in a vast and indifferent universe, but integral parts of an interconnected web of being, participants in an ongoing story of cosmic evolution. The concepts of the Logos and the CTMU offer more than just intellectual stimulation. They offer a sense of hope and possibility. If the universe is indeed a product of mind, then perhaps we, as beings capable of thought, creativity and love, have a more significant role to play in its unfolding than we ever imagined. Perhaps our pursuit of knowledge, our acts of compassion, and our yearning for connection are all part of a larger cosmic dance, contributing to the ongoing evolution of the universe itself. In the beginning was the Word. These words continue to echo through the ages, reminding us of the profound mystery and intelligence that lie at the heart of existence. The CTMU, with its vision of a self-processing, language-based universe, offers a modern scientific lens through which to view this ancient wisdom. Together, the Logos and the CTMU invite us to participate in an eternal conversation, a grand exploration of the universe and our place within it, a journey that bridges the realms of faith and reason, science and spirituality, and leads us toward a deeper understanding of ourselves and the awe-inspiring cosmos we inhabit. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more explorations of science, philosophy and faith.